In this video, I want to show you how to access the planners in It's Learning courses. So log in as a student into It's Learning. Hopefully you're on the home page. If not, click Home, and then also click on the Courses button so that you see all the tiles of the courses that belong to that student. To go into any course, simply click on the tile for that particular course, and that will take you to an overview page of that course. The first thing that you should see on the overview page is what we call the planner. So you will see here on this page, this is the plan for March 25th. As I scroll down, I will read the information, the description of what the plan is, any handouts, activities, resources that the teacher is including with that plan will be linked here. If you see Show More, click there to see more information for that plan. So I see here that she has a page of information, has a quiz for you to take, and there's listed upcoming items. Notice I could click on any of these and it would actually take me to that resource, and I can read and do the information that the teacher wants me to do for this lesson. But additionally, I'm going to close this plan. Notice right after or right above the description, there's a Start button. So if you click that Start button, it will actually take you into the plan and walk you step by step through each part. So I can click here on the link and then go to the next step and continue through the plan. When I'm done, I can close the plan. One other helpful piece of information, if I click on the Calendar tab and then I go to Plans, here I will see every single one of my courses and the plans for each of those courses. Notice I can navigate here through this week or go back to see last week. I hope that helps you figure out how to navigate the planner